Hi guys, it's Clay here from Gadget Gal, and today we're talking about the Vivo Y11. In December 2019, another Chinese smartphone contender launched locally and I got to schedule a catch-up. Since it started in 2009, Vivo has expanded to over 100 countries around the world, and now Vivo are here. Initially, Vivo rolled out the Y11 and the Vivo 91C here in SA, and there are rumours of the X series launching in SA in June this year. But let's see what they're about.
We're here this morning to talk about Vivo launching as a brand into South Africa and our consumer offering entering market at the moment. I think South Africa is a very key market globally. We've had great performance in our 18 overseas countries. We've featured top 3 as a brand in 10 of those countries, and I think the South African consumers deserve to have a product of choice as well. Vivo is a top 5 smartphone brand globally. We are 24 years old as a company, and we have leading world-class award-winning product devices across all categories. We will be available with 2 products across the country with Vodacom. Those products are Y11 at a price point of 2,699. It comes with a great battery, a 5,000 mAh battery, and then we have the Y91C with a price point of 1,899, also very competitive in its price band. On the Y11, I think that the standout feature would be the battery. Superior battery at that price point. 5,000 allows you to use video, image, social media across the band.
What did I think of the Y11, you ask? The Y11's best feature is its 5,000 milliamp battery, as Hava mentioned. It looks and feels premium thanks to the interesting finish on the color, and the sturdy feel of it in your hands makes it feel premium. It comes with a screen protector and a case, so Vivo's got you covered. In this price range, the display and resolution are what you'd expect, while 3GB of RAM is good enough. Also, Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 is a decent budget chip. One great thing about the Y11 is the Fun Touch UI's Ultra Game Mode. It lets you switch off notifications and calls, so there are absolutely no distractions. And 2,699 Rand is a fair price. Please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and let me know what you thought of the video. If you have any questions, pop them down below and we'll see you next time.
I'd like to say that Vivo is a very consumer-centric brand. We're here to meet the needs of South Africans, and we're very excited to be here. Guys, please comment, like and subscribe to Gadget Gal's channel to get all the latest information on Vivo and Vivo products in South Africa. Thank you.